Different types of cranes and their uses. There are many options for these types of trucks, each designed for specific tasks. Check out these top crane trucks and discover which one is right for you. Telescopic crane truck, perfect for construction projects. This type of truck is equipped with a telescoping arm that can be extended to reach various heights. It's great for heavy lifting jobs like moving large boulders or transporting timber. Boom truck crane. Boom trucks are ideal for lifting and transporting heavier equipment, such as construction material or loading items onto a trailer. It features a boom that can be extended to great heights, making it perfect for jobs involving tall buildings. Articulated crane truck. This type of vehicle is the most versatile of trucks, with an articulated arm that can be positioned in any direction. It's the perfect choice for jobs where precision and flexibility are needed, such as loading large objects onto a dock. No matter what operation you have in mind, there's a truck that can handle the job. With the right transport tools, it's easy to get the job done quickly and safely. Productivity and efficiency are the name of the game, so choose the best crane truck for your needs today. To learn about flatbed trucks, check out our previous video.